Hello people. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your birthday on Facebook. It's a very easy process. So now let me take you through it step by step. The step one will be to log into your Facebook or you tap on the Facebook app just as I've done. Now the second step is to tap on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu icon on the top right corner of your Android mobile phone or bottom right corner of your iOS mobile phone. Now the third step is to tap on the setting icon which is on the top right corner of your phone. And then now the fourth step is to tap on account center. Now I'll be scrolling down to the part where you see personal details. I'm tapping on it. Now you see contact info and you see birthday. I'm going to tap on the birthday now. And now you see this option of edit. I'm tapping on the edit. And now I can change this birthday. So now let's change the month, the date, and the year. And I'm going to select set. And the next thing I'll do is to save and confirm. You see, my birthday on Facebook has been updated. It's a very easy process. However, you have to be cautious because your Facebook birthday can only be changed once in every 2 weeks and only 3 times in total. I hope this video was helpful. Well, if it was and you would like more helpful tip, please like and subscribe. Thank you.